Hey everyone, this is Angie at Stampin' with Amore. Welcome to my channel. I have a Halloween project for you. Y'all saw the box that I did for Christmas using this same box, and I just got some of my new stuff in that's going to be coming September 6th in the new holiday catalog, which I call holiday catalog, but I think it's called September to December catalog. So I was so excited to play with this new stamp set. It's a bundle actually, that I decided to go ahead and put together one of these little treat boxes. So look how adorable this little guy is. And I'm not into scary stuff, but he's so fun. And of course, because I'm a Texan, I had to put boots and a cowboy hat on him. But there's different hats and stuff that you could put on him and dress him up. But I'm using basically everything from that, not everything, but I'm using quite a bit from that stamp set. I'm using the sentiment as well, but this just opens like that. And I know a few of you, when I mentioned it looked like it could be a coffin, my mind started going. And then when I saw this stamp set, I was like, this is going to be the perfect stamp set for this box. So I'm going to share how to do the box again. If you didn't see that other video, I'll link the other one in the description below or in this video somewhere. And you can check out the Christmas one that I made with the same box. All right, so the star of the show today is called Bag of Bones. So this is it right here. You can cut out all the little pieces and everything from this one, and it has, look at it, has a cat and a dog. I'm using the bat. See, it's got a bow tie. It's got like this little French hat and the little mustache. It's so darn cute. This hat right here, it's got a little rose you can put in its mouth. Oh my gosh, it is so cute. And the sentiments are super adorable. So look at the dies, y'all, that come in here. And I have a bunch out, and I'll show you those too. But look at all of these. So it cuts out all these little pieces, the hats. Oh, it's even got some little tennis shoes right here and a top hat. And here's another hat. There's a bunch of stuff that you can use this with. Here's to cut out the cat, the dog. Oh my gosh, it cuts out this little piece where you can put it all together. We also have, and it's got these little bones right here, so cute. You can use those for the dog. And then I'll show you the other ones. These are the ones that I'm going to be using for this. I got to get those little pieces out. But I'm using the cowboy hat, the boots. I'm using these little bats. I'm using the moon and the stars. I'm using this little like tombstone and the little fence here. On this one, I'm going to ink around the edges of this one just to let it stand out a little bit more. I'm going to ink it up around the edges with basic gray. And then I did this one black. You can do the fence whatever color you want. I just did it black, and I was going to change it, but I like the black. I thought it really turned out cute. And we have some glow-in-the-dark paper, y'all. I cut out the bats with that, and goodness, I wish I could show you how these actually glow in the dark. Let me see if I can put it under one of my lights real quick and see if you can. I didn't turn on my lights because it's better without the lights today. I'll turn it right back off after I get these under the lights. And I'm going to show you. Look at how that glows in the dark. Isn't that so stinking cute? Oh my gosh, this is so adorable. So that's what I used on that. I thought these would really be cute for grandkids. They're just so cute. I hope you like this one because you can tell I'm excited about it. All right. By the way, this will not be available till September 6th. I think I said that already. So the box that we're using, we're going to make with the nested essential dies, and it's these right here. You're going to use the largest one here, which I already have out. I cut out a bunch of pieces, y'all, already. All the little pieces. We're just going to stamp and cut him out because we need to speed this up just a little bit. All right, so that's what I'm using for this. So let's make the box first, and then we'll get into the other parts. So we are going to score, and you do need 2 pieces of these little nested essential dies. So you need 2 of the largest ones. I've already cut those out. And then you need 2 pieces that are 12 by 2 inches. And we are going to score these both a little bit different. So I'll also put the inspiration sheet on my blog so that you can download it and print it like I always do. So on the 12-inch side, you're going to score it at 1 1/4, 3 1/2, 5 3/4, 7, 9 1/4, and 11 1/2. And then you're going to score it at 1/2 on the 2-inch side, just 1/2 inch all the way down. All right, now on the other one, on the 12-inch side, you're going to do it at 1 1/8, 3 3/8, 5 5/8. Always got to count those. 6 3/4, 9, and 11 1/4. And then again, turn it and do it at 1/2 inch all the way down here, this 2-inch side. So you're going to have 2 strips, and I know this is going to be a little bit harder to see because it's black, but if you have a hard time seeing this, go check out the one that I did for Christmas, and you'll be able to see it better because it's a lighter color. All right, so what we're going to do is we are going to start cutting, and this is the 1/2 inch side. We're going to just cut, these are our bottom piece here. So you're just going to cut along that. So this is going to be our 1/2 inch piece right here. Can you see what I'm talking about? All right, and then I'm going to try to show you this as best I can, being it's black. And you're just going to cut all the way down. On both of these, you're going to do the same thing. So this is going to be our glue tab, actually. So I'm going to just go ahead and sharpen these because I want you to see what I'm talking about and what I'm actually doing here. All right, so all that right there is going to be our glue tab. We're going to sharpen these as well. This is what's going to shape the box. One's a little bit smaller than the other, so it would fit inside. And you don't have to worry about that part because you'll see which one fits inside the other. We're going to do the same thing on this one here. Cut up to that first, that score mark there. All right, so that's it, and we are going to sharpen all these. And when you do this, you may have to play with it for a minute to see which fits on, or how it fits on here, but you want to leave like the same border. Make sure you do it on the, this is stitched, so make sure that's on the outside. And I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to do it with my Stampin' Seal. If you want to do it with glue, it works really good because it actually lets you have a little bit of time to move them around, but because I want to do this a little bit quicker, I'm just going to put Stampin' Seal Plus. Make sure it's something strong that you use though. And then I'm going to just put a little bit on the end here because we need to close it up. So I'm going to start with this larger side, and we are just going to start laying this on here. And I pretty much now know about how far I need to go with this. So we're going to lay that down, and you're just going to follow all the way around. Make sure that you have it pretty much the same around each side. And then that last side is going to glue onto the inside like that. And just run your finger through it. It goes on really nicely. So that's the first one. We're going to do the same with the other one. again, I'm going to start with that larger one right here. Let's see, do I have it on? Nope, I just told you to do that and make sure that's the right way. Once you have them all sharpened, it makes it so much easier for you to line them up and get them in the right position. All right, so this now, I think this is the bigger side. You just have to kind of squeeze it and then it will fit right on top of the other one. So there's your box. All right, let's go ahead and let's stamp. With Memento Black, we're gonna stamp our little skeleton guy here. He's so cute. I don't like scary stuff, and this is not scary to me. It's just so stinking adorable. It's so fun. All right, there he is. Look how cute he is. And I should grab, let me grab this other piece of scrap here. And I'm gonna go ahead and stamp the sentiment too while we have the memento out here. It says, "Boo to you." The sentiments are even really cute. All right, so I'm gonna grab the die for him. Because I cut all these other pieces out, we're gonna only have to cut out him. Need to get those other pieces out there. I did, by the way, try to stamp him on the glow in the dark, and it doesn't stamp well. I'll show you here in a second what that looked like. It stamps too light. Even if you double stamp with the Stamparatus, it just stamped too light. I thought maybe I could, but this is really rough, so it was really hard to do. All right, so I am going to take this to the cut and emboss, and we are going to go ahead, run him through, and I'll have him right back. And there he is. Look how cute he is. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. All right, I'm bringing in all the other pieces here. There's our little, and let me grab all these here. They're falling off my little piece of paper. I had to put them on here because I got some really small pieces. So here's the bats. And here's his cowboy hat. Let's glue his cowboy hat on and his boots. He's so darn cute, y'all. You have to get this one. Put this on your wish list. He's so cute. So there's that. And we're going to put his boots on. I think even the older kids would like this. It's so cute. All right. And I know it's early for Halloween, but y'all, get your stuff ready to go. I had to share him. All right, so I am going to use my basic gray, and I'm going to use my little sponge dauber here, and I'm just going to ink the edges of this time. See if it stands out a little bit more. All right. And we're going to put this all on here. I think I need my take your pick tool though, because look how little these all are. So I'm going to grab that. We're going to first put on this piece. And I think it's going to look cuter with it. And then I'm going to do the fence on top. I'm going to put that right there. It definitely stands out more with it sponged. But you can do it however you like. I'm going to go ahead and we're going to put dimensionals on him. He needs to be popped up. So we're going to put him on here. I'm going to use some little ones on down here on his feet. But y'all, it didn't take any time to run these through because they're so small, the pieces, that you can run a bunch through at the same time. So let's get him on here. And let's put him right on top here. And now I'm going to need, I did cut the bats out in black too, but I'm not going to do it this time because I decided just to use the glow-in-the-dark ones. They're so darn cute. Alright, let me get a few dots here. And we're going to use these for our little stars. I need my Take Your Pick tool for this. And this one. And one more. That one's upside down. Look how cute that is. Alright, now let's get our bats put on. So I think I'm going to put one here. One on this side. And then we'll put another one up here. I love that they glow in the dark. Y'all, this paper is so cute. We've never had glow in the paper before. I think that's why I'm super excited about this. And then we're going to put one more right there. And then let's do our sentiment. I'm just going to cut it out here. See if I can cut straight. Let's scoot all this stuff out of the way. And we're just going to glue it on the bottom here. Boo to you. Just like that. Look how cute. I hope y'all like this one. I am really excited about it. He's so darn cute. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to make him other things to put different hats on him. I think the rose would be super cute in his mouth. Oh my gosh, these are so cute. All right, everyone, I hope you enjoyed this. Thank you for watching. I'll link the other one in this video so you can see it. It's probably be back down here at the end of the video for the one for Christmas. And you can see how the box is done for Christmas. All right, everyone, I hope you all have a blessed day. I'll catch you in the next one. See you later, everyone. Bye.